So to make the cranberry sauce, we are going to take our orange and we're going to use our peeler to peel off the outer peel to get the zest portion of it. Now, all of this white stuff inside is called pith, and we need to remove that. So we'll use our knife to shave the pith off. And if you have a microplane or a zester, that's a good way to do this. You can also use a cheese grater if you prefer, but the cheese grater takes off too much of the peel and the pith together, so I find that it ends up not coming out as nice. The pith really makes it more bitter, so by removing that, you get a better product. So using your knife, you just want to shave this all off here. And once you're finished, it's very simple. Just grab your pot, and to the pot, we're going to add our bag of cranberries. And once we have our cranberries, we're going to add our orange peels, and we're going to juice in the orange. Now, if you have a juicer, it's a better way to get a lot more of the juice out. And once we have all the juice out, we are going to add in our sugar, and then we're going to add in our water. And then lastly, we're going to add our cinnamon stick. Once we have all of that, we're going to add it to the stove and we're going to bring it up to a boil. And once we get it to a boil here, we're going to turn it down to a simmer. And we're going to simmer it for about 10 minutes or so. And after about 5 of those minutes, we're going to take out the cinnamon stick. So with those remaining 5 minutes, we just let it simmer, and that will help reduce the water out, and the sugar will help thicken it. Now we take it off the stove, and what I like to do is use my wooden spoon to stir it and give it a little pull. And I can tell that this is done by the way that I'm pushing and pulling on that cranberry sauce. It's not water-like, and there is some viscosity to it, so that's good to go. And when you serve it, you can leave the peels in if you like. I like to eat those. Not everyone likes that, so I would be wary of your guests. But you can pan this up ahead of time like I'm doing here, cool it in your fridge, and serve it on Thanksgiving Day. So you could really make this on Tuesday or Wednesday if you didn't want to deal with it on Thursday. I like to use that cinnamon stick as a little garnish. And what I like to do as well is just save one of the orange peels and just kind of give it a little julienne as a nice little garnish on top. So that way people think I'm really fancy at my Thanksgiving dinner. Which I am really fancy at my Thanksgiving dinner. I hope you enjoyed this cranberry sauce. I hope you continue the debate whether canned cranberry is better than homemade. And we'll see you next time on Cooking with Brad.